So this is the 2020 Mustang Shelby GT500 in the green. Not much else in the box as usual, so let's open it. And remove the plastic or the paper divider. So this is it out of the box. I already have a Shelby in blue with white stripes, but I had to get this one because the color on it was just, I just couldn't miss out on it. Amazing color, especially when it hits the sun. So this is it out of the box. Not too bad. So this is it out of the box. Not too bad. The menacing front. So let's remove the plastic off of it. So that's it with the plastic removed. And let's get rid of the band. So now, the interior. The front. Beautiful looking engine. Again, not too bad for 20 bucks is what I paid for it. In the back. Oh, there's another band. Oops. Alright, now with the removed, the trunk in case you want to hide stuff away. So now let's remove the stand off of it. So that's with the stand removed, and unlike the other ones, there's actual details this time. Not too bad, not too bad. Now you can see the thing that makes it steer or turn. And again, just like the rest of them, when you turn the wheels, it turns the steering wheel. So that's amazing. Again, not as much on the steering wheel, but it is what it is. You just don't want to damage it, and it is a lot tinier than the wheels. So that's the car out of the box, off the stand, and again, it looks incredible. The green on it. People sleep on the color green, but I feel like it's gonna make a comeback soon because it's just beautiful. So let's get it on the other rotating stand. So that is a 2020 Mustang Shelby GT500 in the green. Again, it's just a beautiful looking car. Another amazing color on the Mustang. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Even has a Shelby in the front, Cobra on the sides, black rims, Cobra, Ford Performance. Again, just another amazing model for the money. Again, I paid 20 bucks. I think this one online is going around 40, 30, 40, around there. So again, you might have to pay a little more higher online than I did, but next time, if you have a local Costco or Sam's Club, around Christmas time, try to peek around in the toy section. Maybe you'll find a couple. And something I keep forgetting to mention is that when it comes to those, they also have muscle cars, sports cars, classics from all different regions, America, UK, Japan. They have all the cars there and amazing prices for them. Might increase this year, but I'm not too sure about it, so don't quote me on that. But I have a feeling they might increase in price, which again, let's just say it's 25, still not bad. You're saving a lot of money when you're buying it from there. Um, and yeah, just some Christmas ideas thrown out there. But let's open the doors. So that is the car with all the doors open. A nice engine bay, a classic interior. Again, it's all blacked out, so I can't really see too much into it on camera. A trunk so you can put stuff in there if you really wanted to. Again, I like to put the screws just in case, I don't want to lose them. And there's honestly not much else I could say about it. It's just an amazing car. So that's about it.